Welcome back today. It's me, Beto G. I'm back today with a beat. I'm going to be making Serbia trap beat today, this morning. Welcome back. So, when launching your FL Studio, make sure you put your cursor like this, right click, and just press open here. But for me, I have already launched my FL Studio. So, I'm just going to enter here like this, click on my channel rack, and click on add. Click on add here. Today, I will be using this plugin called Toxic Browser. After picking my preset, my plugin called Toxic Browser, I'm going to click on this empty space. I'm going to click on it. I'm just going to put my mouse here, left click, and hold turn my mouse wheels to channel 5. I'll right click now and press piano roll to start making my Serbia trap beat. After doing so, I'm just going to draw the bass melodies like this. The next step is I'm going to pick another melody again today for my Serbia trap beat. I'm going to click on my channel rack, click on add here, click on FA keys, put my cursor here like this, left click and hold my left click button, just turn the mouse wheels to channel 6, put my cursor on top of my FA keys plugin, right click, press piano roll. This is my piano roll on my screen. I'll start to program my Serbia trap beat. It's going to be very simple. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, learn how to make your trap beats. Very simple. That's it. After doing so, after programming my first 4-bar pattern, I'm going to Control A. Control A. I'll just press Control A, press Control and B, right up to bars number 8. Right up to bars number 8. After doing so, I'll start to program my hi-hat now. This is my hi-hat now. I'll put my cursor on top of my hi-hat, right click and press piano roll. I'll start to program my hi-hat now. I'll just program my first bar, my first 1 bar, then copy right to bars number 8. This is my 1 bar. I'm going to highlight to the left. You can see press Ctrl and A, then press Ctrl and B to copy it. That's it. I'll start to program my snare now. I'll put my cursor here on my snare, right click and press piano roll. Now at the end of each bar, I'm putting my snare like this. This is my snare, which at the starting of bar 1, I've drawn my snare here. At the end of each bar, 3, 4, I'm putting my snare right up to 8 bars here with a different bounce like this, like this, like this. Good. After doing so, I'm going to left click, drag it to channel 1, right click and press piano roll to start programming my Serbia trap beat. That's it. After arranging my kick, I'm going to click on channel 1 here, click on it, turn on this boss knob like this, right up. Good. Now is the time for mixing. 5 and 6. 5, this is my 5. The basic step to mix your beat. Make sure you master my plugin I'm using to mix my beat. Slot 1, I'm going to add a Fruity parametric EQ2. Slot 2, a Fruity limiter. Slot 4, a Fruity multiband compressor. These are the plugin you use to mix your beat. Slot 4, a Fruity soft clipper. Very important. Make sure you take note of this. A Fruity soft clipper. Now to 6. Slot 1, a Fruity soft clipper. Slot 2, a Fruity parametric EQ2. Slot 3, a Fruity limiter. Slot 4, a Fruity compressor. Slot 5, today I will be talking about a Fruity delay, which is I'm going to turn down the mix level to mix level 1%. Good. Now it's the time for swapping. I'll swap by clicking here. Swap left and right channel, or just click here, swap like this. Very simple. Follow my channel, subscribe. I teach out simple ways to make trap beat. Now reverse polarities by clicking here. By clicking here like this. I'm going to turn down the beat. Bring up my kick. On my hi-hat, I'm going to click on slot 1 and add a sound woodenizer. On my snare, I'm going to click on slot 1 and add a Fruity parametric EQ2 and bring it a little bit like this. Turn it down like this a little bit. Good. After doing so, this is my Serbia trap beat. I'm going to click on my playlist where I've written part 1. I will right click and click here, split by channel. As you can see, everything I've programmed has appeared on the top left corner on my FL Studio. That's it. Now it's the time to arrange our beat. I'll click on my kick, click back into my playlist, click on my hi-hat, click into my playlist. I'll click on my snare, click back into my playlist. I'll click on my first melody, click back into my playlist. I'll click into my first melody, talks about that, click into my playlist, click on my last melody, FL keys, and click back into my playlist. After doing so, I'll put my cursor here, highlight to the left, press Ctrl and B several times. This will make my beat longer and to create space for an intro and outro. I'm extending my beat now into my playlist. I'm going to after doing so, I'm going to remove the kick, remove the hi-hat, remove the snare to allow a space for my intro. After doing so, I'm going to highlight again to the left. Can you press Ctrl and A, press Ctrl and B on your keyboard to extend the beat up to 79. Right up to 79. Now I'm extending my beat to my outro, right up to 85. I'm extending my beat now up to 85. I'm going to remove the hi-hat, remove the snare to create a different bounce. From 3 and 4, I will right click and create automation clip to control the beat automatically. On 4, I will right click again and create automation clip to control my snare automatically. Now it's time to spice up your beat. It's time to spice up your beat. I'll click here at the ending of my intro. I'm putting my hi-hat here at the starting point of my outro. I'm putting my hi-hat here. Now let's listen to the Serbia trap beat from the start to the end. Don't forget to subscribe and see you during the in another video. Let's go. Thank you so much for watching how to make Serbia trap beats. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe. If you are watching on your smart device, either on your tablet or on your computer or on your smartphone, just press the subscribe button so that anytime I drop my new videos, you will get notified immediately. Goodbye. See you next time in another video on how to make trap beats. It's your beat maker, Beto G, the beat maker and the hit maker. See you next time in another video.